Ben Peel here, aka Botanical Fanatical, and today we're talking again about procurement and botanical ingredients. Coriander seed, one of the famous 5 ingredients in gin making, and people scour all over the world for it, like Bulgaria and stuff like that, but here in the UK we're growing some fantastic coriander seed. And I told you before what coriander seed does. It brings base notes of citrus where the front light notes finish off, or floral and sometimes grassy notes depending on your type of coriander or your crop. Now the best way to sample an ingredient is basically just stick it in your mouth. Coriander seed is in 99% of the gins in the world, not by law but by necessity. By the flavours it does, it's like the backup dancer to juniper. Really nice citrus notes with this one. Guys, give your coriander seed a taste, let me know what you think. Have a good day, y'all.